What's up, y'all? Little cell phone video, little unexpected video for y'all. So I'm here in the shop again, as we can see. So the starter in my car, I started having issues with it last week. Seems like it got hot and then it would just click and then not start. So since if you're a G8 owner, you know that every time we need to get stuff, we can never get it. We can never get it same day. You can order it. I get it. You can order it. But if you're like me, you don't like waiting on parts. So they didn't have a G8 starter, but they did have a 2011 PPV starter. And if you can see on there, I'll put a picture of the G8 starter, but everything else is exactly the same. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our wire, which is right here, and we're gonna change the end on it to actually fit this right here, because the PPV is different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try that. We're gonna put one of these ends on. It looks like a bigger wire. I know I had brought some of these down, and I got some of these, which are way too small. And then got some heat shrink to clean it up. And then if those two don't fit, which they're probably not gonna fit, we're gonna have to use one of these. And well, lost one. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it helps out. Hopefully it help you guys if you're in a pinch and you want to drive your car like I do. But yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna do the 85. It's gonna be pretty simple. It's not gonna be in this video. This is just a short video to see if the PPV starter is gonna work in the G8. If it doesn't, then I guess we'll have to wait and order one. All right, so we'll go under the car. It's got this heat sleeve. You can kind of see, I don't know. What we're gonna do is take this so you can pull the sleeve back. So just pull it up on the wire. We're gonna cut the wire, put the new connector on it, and yeah, we'll bolt it up, see if it works. All right, so I don't have a tripod or anything set up, but if you guys have ever connected wires before, it's pretty easy. I did end up using one of those small blue connectors. It did go over the wire, so I'll show you. So we've got that right here. I am gonna use this, the sleeve, this heat sleeve. That's what it is. So we'll get it connected and we'll just pull it up over the connector. It's already crimped on there, so you can kind of see. Pull it down, it'll be able to, I guess, protect the wires. And I didn't cut it. I mean, it's probably ½ an inch shorter than what it was before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook everything up, and then we'll see if it starts. We'll see if it works. Hoping it works. Everything else is the same. Everything's the same on this. Same size, same connector. But yeah, everything on the bottom's all the same. Post some pictures up side by side so you guys can see, but obviously the only difference is where it connects right here. So we're gonna let her rip and hopefully she works. All right, so we had to do some modifying. We had to grab this little guy right here, and I'll show you what I had to do. All right, so you can look up here on the starter and see the end where I had to grind it off. So it's not tight yet, but I gotta get it to where it's clocked, you know, flat with that. That flat is gonna be, but yeah, that's the way it's gonna be. And I had to cut it because it was hitting right there, so I cut it. We're gonna tighten it up. We got the wire jammed in there, and all we gotta do is bolt it up. All right, so as you can see, I had to change the orientation so the cable will lay up in there right. You guys can see that? Yep, good job. All right, so got it in there. Always a little careful when you're doing those starter bolts, but I'll show you kind of. You're not probably gonna be able to see much, but it's in here. So I've got the starter, got it all bolted up. Yeah, I got a small oil leak somewhere. So anyways, it's up there, it's in there. Can't really see past the motor mount, but kind of see how everything is back in there, how it's orientated. And yeah, we've got the plug going in, it's all good. All right, so we've got to hook the battery back up real quick. I'm just gonna put it on there. Hook the battery back up. All right, battery's hooked up. Moment of truth, y'all. Let's see what happens. PPV starter, little mod. So excited, man. Oh yeah. Thanks for hanging around with the short video. Obviously the bolts on the starter are 13. Probably should have put that in the beginning. I'll probably just put it in there. But yeah, there you go, dude. I've never heard that starter sound that good, ever. But if you're in a crunch and you need a starter and you don't have time to wait, and somebody's got a 2011 starter for a PPV, there you go, y'all. It works. Hell yeah. Peace out. Have a good day. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Like, comment below if you got any questions, and I'll catch you in the next video, hopefully for the 85. Hell yeah, y'all. Peace out.